When I come to Dr. Brown's office, I feel like I'm coming to visit friends. The office staff, the opticians, and Dr. Brown himself, all very personal people, give a very individual type treatment when you come in. Each person is an individual and you're treated that way.
I think one of the main things is the fact that our patients come back year after year. We have patients we've seen when they were just little ones and now they're coming in with their families.
Hi, I'm Dr. Randolph Brown and I'm an optometric physician located here in Gold River. If a patient comes in here, they're going to get a great examination with the best technology that's available. All their insurance options will be explained to them and they're going to get great service at a fair cost. We have the state-of-the-art equipment here. Everything is computer generated these days.
He's one of the best. He's going to give you the best exam you can get. He's very thorough.
We have over 1,300 frames to choose from to fit every budget and every lifestyle. Everything about the company is fashion forward.
Oh, the selection is incredible. Anywhere from Gucci, Versace, my cycling glasses, it's all right here. It's like a big candy store.
I'm very pleased with my complete experience with Dr. Brown.